Wait.
Like
What?
I'm popping the cork, in a wine bottle.
The cork on a wine bottle.
Yeah.
And how do you do it?
What are you doing? What's so funny about it?
Your face. You.
How I like keep the lip like that. That's what you're talking about. You think that's funny?
It just makes fun.
You get a laugh out of that?
Yeah, and I'm recording you.
And you're recording? No.
Yep. See?
You're recording?
Oh. No. It stopped.
No. I don't know. Alright.
See, look it. It's just on the little thingy. Not even recording, G, or that thing.
Your fingers over the camera.
What?
Your fingers over the camera. Your fingers over the camera.
Over what camera?
Over the back.
It's gonna show regardless.
Nah. It's recorded. What
No.
you want?
No, it's not.
See, look.
It's not recording, I promise. No, I lied.
I know. I knew you were lying because I saw the back. What is it?